I see a red robin in my backyard. Oh, oh, it flew away. I was gonna see if, oh, there it is. Let's see if it'll let me get it on. See it? Come closer. It's either a cardinal or a red robin. I see these birds every day. I don't know. Come closer. There you go. There you go. You let me capture you. Screen time. I'm back to this garden that I probably ruined. I hope I didn't. I hope it spring to life. I don't know. We get some warm days tomorrow, this week. We'll see. The stalk looks like it's kind of strong, but I'm gonna cover it. Cover it with this box. Okay, this is some really new beginning gardening for me, but I got it covered. I'm gonna stay on it. All right, bye-bye. See you next time. Oh, look, wait a minute. I got some daffodils growing. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Let's see this creek. Let's see if we see anything in it today before I let you guys go. Look, we got some daffodils, maybe volunteer daffodils growing out here. And here's the creek. Okay, this is right. This is my view that I have sitting on my balcony. A little wildlife sanctuary back here, so peaceful. Okay, see my garden, guys? Alrighty, see you next time. Oh, we got some daffodils growing here too. There, okay, I'll take it.